You know, when you swing full, you're going to generate more power with it. So knockdown shots occur when you don't want a lot of spin on the ball, and or you don't have enough club for that particular distance. You know, for example, a knockdown shot would be, for me, if I'm 180 and I got, you know, that's pushing a 6-iron for me. So I'll hit a 5-iron, I'll choke down a little bit and just kind of flight the ball so that you have more control on a knockdown shot in a way. A little less spin, and you flight it down and watch the trajectory of it. Just, you know, target the pin. I think knockdowns are great for the wind shot. The wind will affect the ball quite substantially if you have a lot of spin on it. A lot of times the ball will go in the air and then float down, but a knockdown shot, it'll be nice and smooth. It'll cut right through the wind and should get the distance you're looking for.